Hey again, everybody. It is our weekly Tesla look, as we do every week. We always look at Tesla. That is just, it's the anchor of the market, if you will. Of just absolutely ripper week. We caught, oh man, I actually left a lot of money on the table. I took my doubles and triples on my Tesla swings, and they ended up being about 10x. So I was upset, little upset, but you can't be upset about making money. You can't, not in this world. Just be happy what you can, squeeze out of this pig and live to see another day. So we're starting to see a little bit of topping here in Tesla. You kind of get the vibe too, because once people start saying 1,200 and 1,400, like there's a lot of those people out there right now. You're a little high, you're a little hot, you're probably going to come down. So I'm looking at Tesla here coming on back down to 950 area. Um, I would say that, the 8-day at 954 is a good spot. It's in an uptrend. It's looking good. All this energy stuff, with gas prices and things, it always comes back. I ordered my Tesla. I'm still waiting. Hopefully it comes soon. And he's the future tech, not just cars, but really of a lot of things. And I think people see the value even in a weaker year for the stock market. Still monster move. I would think 950 is probably as low as it goes. I wouldn't expect it to go much lower because it's on such a power trend this week. But still, maybe it wants to get in on this cluster here at 900. I would think we'll call it the 200 day. I'm sorry, the 100 day at 915, the 50 days at 908, 21 days at 903. So maybe somewhere in there. Maybe we get down to 910, 915. It's a fine area. I'll be longing that between 9 and 930. I'll be buying next week's calls off that. We'll see how it works out because I do think we're going to get back to here and run through it and get back to 1,200 most likely. So that would be a nice little, if you look at the actual weekly on Tesla, you can see it's a power push. So really, it's going to start building a flag. So I would say this flag's here. Um, get down to 946. That's half the flag, if not a little more. It's good support. There's old gap support there. I think that's a really good area. If it wants to fall to here, fine. I mean, the 8-day right now is at 903. 21 days at 909 on the weekly. So, I wouldn't be surprised. Uptrend on the maze here. 915. I mean, if we do get 915, I'll probably be buying a ton of it at 925, 920. I don't want to miss it, So I'll probably front run it, but I think that's a great place. I think it's going to be a great play. You can short this probably at the open. Um, for the week, I would short the 980s, 975s. Um, we'll see where it wants to go, but you could short it if you want. I won't be shorting it because I don't like the RR. $50 on Tesla in a week isn't exactly my idea of a great RR. I'm sure you might get 30-40%. You got to put a lot of capital up to do that, especially earlier in the week. So for me as a Tesla trader, I really am going to look at buying the dip rather than trying to short it and then buy it long. I just don't think the RR is there right now because it's so strong on the short side. I'm just going to wait for the fluff to come out a little bit. Might scalp it, might get about 20-30%. Maybe we can get an impulse move, but we'll go from there. It's looking great and looking really good going in the week. AlphaTraders.com, Alpha Traders Inc. on Twitter and YouTube. Hit that like, hit that sub, hit that retweet. We appreciate all the love. We will see you out there.